The Lost Child, written by the story writer Mulk Raj Anand. Now we will see about the story. What is the story about? The Lost Child is the story of a child who goes to a fair with his parents. He is attracted by the toys, sweets, flowers, garlands, balloons and the roundabout in the fair. Roundabout means जो झूले राउंडिंग वे में चलते हैं, roundabout. But his parents did not fulfill any of his desire. लेकिन उसके पेरेंट्स उसकी कोई भी डिज़ायर को पूरा नहीं करते हैं. All of a sudden, अचानक, he is lost in the crowd. वो भीड़ में खो जाता है. Lost means खो जाता है, खो गया. What is the condition of the child after he is separated from his parents in the fair? उस बच्चे की कंडीशन क्या होती है जब वो उस फेयर में सेपरेट हो जाता है फ्रॉम हिज पेरेंट्स? Does he finds his parents? क्या वो अपने पेरेंट्स को पाता है? Now the rest of the story we will see in the text whether he finds them or not and what is his reaction with the things that he was seeing when the parents were with him and what are his reactions to the things that he is saying when he is without his parents in the fair. Very interesting story. Now we will see the meanings of the lesson. See, lanes and alleys means narrow streets, संकरी गलियां या सड़क. एलेज मीन्स गलियां. लेन्स मीन्स गलियां. एलेज मीन्स स्ट्रीट्स. लेन्स एंड एलेज मीन्स गलियां और स्ट्रीट्स, नैरो स्ट्रीट्स. एमर्ज्ड मीन्स केम आउट. गेली मीन्स हैप्पीली. स्वर्ण, स्वेयर मीन्स शपथ लेना, उसी का ये फॉर्म है. स्वर्ण मीन्स प्रॉमिस्ड बाय एन ओथ, यानी शपथ से वादा पूरा करना. इशूइंग ऑफ स्प्रिंग्स यानी बच्चे. वेरेन अ ब्रीडिंग प्लेस ऑफ रैबिट्स, रैबिट्स का ब्रीडिंग प्लेस यानी रहने का स्थान है जहाँ पे वो बच्चों को जन्म देते हैं. ब्रीमिंग यानी फ्लडिंग यानी ऊपर तक भरा हुआ. जॉयस, फुल ऑफ जॉय. अनअशेम्ड, अशेम्ड मीन्स शर्माना. Unashamed, just opposite, means enthusiastic. Lagged, behind. Remained behind. Lagged means remained behind, पीछे रह गया. Arrested by means attracted by या आकर्षित हुआ. He was attracted by the toys in the fair, यानी वो फेयर में टॉय से अट्रैक्ट हुआ. Lined the way, standing in series along the way. Lined the way means standing in series along the way, रास्ते में सीरीज में खड़े होना. लाइंड द वे जो बोलते हैं लाइन बना के खड़े होना. लिंगरिंग ऑन मीन्स बिहाइंड. बीइंग पुल्ड बैक कंटिन्यूअली. लिंगर मीन्स होता है स्टे एंड दिस न्यू वर्ड इज लिंगरिंग ऑन मीन्स बीइंग पुल्ड बैक कंटिन्यूअली, लगातार पीछे खींचते जाना खुद को यानी रुकते जाना. मीन्स पेरेंट्स आर गोइंग फॉरवर्ड एंड ही इज लिंगरिंग बैकवर्ड, वो पीछे रुक रहा. रिसीडिंग मीन्स कमिंग बैक, पीछे आना. रिसीडिंग मीन्स कमिंग बैक या पीछे आना. सप्रेस, कंट्रोल, दबाना. रिफ्यूजल, डिनाइल मीन्स इनकार. स्टेयर मीन्स लुक. स्टेयर मीन्स लुक या गेज, गौर से देखना. प्लीडेड, रिक्वेस्टेड. डिस्गस्ट, स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग ऑफ डिसलाइक. एबिंग मीन्स डिक्लाइन या पतन. एबिंग मीन्स डिक्लाइन या पतन. क्वेल्ड मीन्स सबड्यूड या शांत करना. कॉज्ड टू सीज यानी शांत करना. वाइंडेड मीन्स कर्व्ड कोर्स. वाइंडेड मीन्स घुमा घुमा यानी कर्व्ड कोर्स, घुमे हुए रास्ते. वेरी वेज, द वेज कॉजिंग टायर्डनेस. Circuitously, going a long way round. Circuitously means going a long way round. Long way round. circuitously going a wrong way line, and ebbing means declining. Winded means curved. See, winded means curved rows. See again, winded means curved course, यानी घुमा हुआ रास्ता. And circuitously going a long way round. Swept across, extended up to, यानी फैला हुआ. Tributary means सहायक, हिंदी में से बोलते हैं. A river flowing into another big river, यानी एक रिवर जो बड़ी नदी में मिलके बहती है, that is called tributary. Eddy of wild, eddy means fast blow या बवंडर. Eddy of wild wind means fast blow of gusty wind, हवा का झोंका. Straying means spreading, फैला हुआ. Straying means spreading. Constant, continuous. Mirage, illusion. Mirage, illusion यानी भ्रम. Cluster, group. A squeaking, squeaking means uttering a short shrill cry. Uttering a short shrill cry, squeaking. Humming, muttering sound. Humming, murmuring sound, भनभनाने की आवाज. Groves, a group of trees. An avenue. Groves means a group of trees and avenue. Whining means the sound. See the special word. Whining means the sound caused by pulling the kite against the wind. हवा के against जब kite को खींचते हैं, that is called winning. Weird means supernatural. Saturated with, filled with, full satisfaction. Vast glory, widely spread brightness. Vast glory, widely spread brightness. Evidence, witness. See next. Plunged, entered, prancing, dancing, fascinating, attracting. Fitful gust means occasional blow of the wind. Children, in this lesson, the writer has used such words that we feel that the scene is before us. Means his description is picturesque description. We feel that we are seeing the picture of the fear in which the child was reacting. See, fitful gust means occasional blow of wind. Winnowing means separating grain from the chaff, यानी भूसे से ग्रेन को अलग करना. Bustling, motivated with excitement. Bustling, hustling होता नहीं, शोरगुल मचाना. Bustling means motivated with excitement. Intercepting, stopping. Fluttering, beating its wing. Flapping, swing. Flapping means swaying. Swaying means जैसे कोई घास खड़ी है वो यूं हिल रही है. Blow of wind. Flapping means swaying about. Hovering means fluttering about in the air, हवा में फड़फड़ाना. Cautionary call to give warning, warning देने के लिए बुलाना. Abreast means side by side. Evaded, avoided, teeming out, coming out in a large number. Adoration, worship. Mingle, mixed. Curious, earnest, desire. Curious means earnestly desirous. Curious means simple word है eager, उत्सुक होना. Pent up souls. Pent up souls, suppressed feelings. Wild caper, skipping carelessly. Very interesting. Pent up souls, suppressed feelings. Wild caper means skipping carelessly. Carelessly skip करना, फुदकना, जैसे बच्चे फुदकते हैं. Throngs means crowd. Converging to means coming to a meeting place. See, converging, opposite है diverging. Converging, coming to a meeting place. Repelled means drove away. Repelled means drove away. जैसे कहते हैं नहीं, mosquito repellent यानी मच्छरों को दूर करने वाला. That is, repelled means drove away. Fascinated, greatly attracted. Irresistibly drawn. Irresistibly means जिसे रोका ना जा सके. Irresistibly drawn means attracted strongly without any check. Attracted strongly without any check. Implacable, that cannot be appeared. implacable that cannot be appeared. Fiercely means dangerously or forcefully. Fiercely means dangerously or forcefully. Eternal denial, constant refusal. Parents also constantly refuse the demands of the children. Panic stricken, in great fear and terror. Perspiration, sweating यानी पसीना बहना. Filmy means dim. Film means होता है layer. Filmy means dim. Intently, eagerly, purposely. Jostled means pushed violently. तेजी से धक्का देना. Jostled means pushed violently. Murderous, dreadful, hefty, strong. Wended means past. See, wended means past. Eager, curious. Wended, past, गुजर गया. Eager, curious. Struggle to thrust means made efforts to make a way. Struggle to thrust made efforts to make a way यानी प्रयास करना रास्ता बनाने के लिए. He was surrounded in the crowd by the people. He was surrounded by the people in the crowd. That's why he struggled to thrust means made efforts to make way. रास्ता बनाने का. Trampled, crushed. Shrieked means uttered a shrill cry. Steered clear of, came clear out. Steered clear of means came clear out. Clearly वो बाहर निकल गया. Approached means reached. Quietened means consoled या शांत करना.